Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about whether or not Google Bard AI uses your conversations for advertising purposes. Google Bard is a large language model chatbot developed by Google AI. It is still under development, but it has learned to perform many kinds of tasks, including answering your questions in an informative way, even if they are open-ended, challenging, or strange. Generating different creative text formats, like poems, code, scripts, musical pieces, email, letters, etc. One of the concerns that people have about Google Bard is that it could be used to collect personal information about them and use that information for advertising purposes. Google has a privacy policy that addresses this concern. The policy states that Google does not collect personal information from your conversations with Google Bard. However, Google does collect some information about your interactions with Google Bard, such as the topics you talk about and the length of your conversations. This information is used to improve the performance of Google Bard. If you are concerned about your privacy, you can take some steps to protect yourself when using Google Bard. First, you can turn off the Save My Conversations setting in your Google account. This will prevent Google from storing your conversations with Google Bard. Second, you can be careful about the information you share with Google Bard. If you are talking about sensitive topics, you may want to use a different chatbot or a different communication platform. Finally, you can use a privacy-focused browser extension, such as DuckDuckGo Privacy Essentials, to block Google from tracking your online activity. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.